So the most important feature about Map Plus, it consolidates all the different features for resale listing, nearby transactions, PropertyGuru listings into one feature packed application itself.
A lot of customers, they are actually not decided on whether new launch is better or resale is better. So with this Map Plus, they'll be able to see at one shot for resale what is the PSF, and then for new launch what is the PSF, and then we can do a comparison between them as well.
It's very easy for us to navigate, and everything is break down very nicely.
It's much more easier for me to filter by true proximity, MRT station, and even tenure, and also on size by using Map Plus. So I used to manually check on Google Maps and URA. So now it's all preloaded in one system, and I can prepare for listing viewing tour in just a few minutes.
When you're out with clients and they ask how much did similar units go for, you don't want to look like a fool. So with Map Plus, I just click into the project and it's all there.
PSF range, average gain, even unit sizes. It helps me come across more professional and prepared.